Let me introduce you to the eClass. eClass is an INHA platform where you can track tasks given you by professors and see the details. You can also view the grades for homework, exams, and quizzes. First, let's log in. To log in, you must first enter your ID, then your password. Initially, your password is the date of birth, the year, month, and day. Once you're logged in, by clicking this button, you can view the list of your subjects and select the subject that you want. As you can see on the page home, there is a lot of information about the course professor as well as about the latest notices. On the syllabus page, you can view the grading criteria. On the Q&A page, you can ask the professor a question. By clicking on the Register button, you can send him a message. After writing a message, you can choose whether you want it to be private or public. Private ones can only be viewed by the professor, and public ones can be viewed by all students. On the archive page, you can download all the lectures or books that the professor has uploaded to the eClass. On the assignments page, you can view information about your tasks, the dates when you should pass them or the deadlines, and whether you passed this task or not. By clicking the search button, you can see more detailed information about your exercise. There is also a pinned file. You can download it, and before submitting your homework, you should check it twice. The Assignment History button allows you to see all the assignments from all courses for the semester that were given. The status of some of them is private, but you can review the rating by clicking the Search button. On the exam page, you can see information and grades of midterm and final exams, as well as quizzes. On the Student Information page, by selecting Current Status and clicking Print, you can print all your scores for the assignment, quizzes, and exams. This is all the main information that you will need to know about eClass. Now we are going to look at our online education system. Here you can watch your lectures. You should enter your ID into the username field. After that, enter your password. If it's your first time using the platform, your default password would be abc@12345. Enter and then log in. This is the home page. You can change your password going to the Profile, Preferences, Change Password. On the home page and on the dashboard, you can access any course. Go to the interested subject, download handouts, take quizzes, and watch lectures. Also, let's have a look on additional features of the online.inha. For example, go to the dashboard. Here you can customize your page as you wish, hide or move something. Here in the course, you can see all of the participants in the subject. In Grades menu, you will see your grade at the end of the course. During your study, you can participate in discussion forums. Here you can discuss subjects-related questions and problems. Now, let's visit ins.inha.uz in order to find out about the INHA portal system. To access IUT portal system, you will have to input your login and password. Here you have 4 links to eClass, email, INHA University in Tashkent and INHA University in Korea websites. First of all, enter your student's ID, which is your login for this website, and then your password. Click Login, and this is the interface of the INS. In the navbar, you have three buttons: Password, eClass, and Logout. By pressing the password, there will be a pop-up window in which you can change your password by inputting the current one and the new one. This is the INS notice. Well, you can see all the important information. For example, this one is how to see your grade of each course. Just click on it to read. Here you can see the detailed view: the writer, the expiration date, the attached file, the hits, title, date of registration, and contents. Please read it carefully. This is the link sites, as usual, INHA University in Tashkent, in Korea, eclass, and email. This is the help desk. It was developed to support the students. You can contact by the numbers given below, or by just writing an email to info@iut.uz. On the left sidebar, you can see the enrollment services, courses, and academic results. In the enrollment services, you have the personal information and address. Here, there is your personal information like name, student's address, cell phone, email, and etc. In the Courses tab, you can see the Browse Course Syllabus, Browse Course Timetable, and Confirm Course Registration. After submitting your finals, there will be a Course Evaluation tab. In order to see your grades at the end of the semester, you will have to pass the course evaluation by grading all the professors. Now let's tap on Browse Course Syllabus. Here you can find the syllabus by the professor's name, course title, or course number. For example, let's find the curriculum of Dr. Bahadur Ahmedov. We just need to type in the name and click search. So here are his subjects: pre-calculus, linear algebra, calculus 1, probability and statistics, and etc. Let's click on the calculus 1. And here you can see the documental syllabus for this subject. The course number, the schedule, the course objectives, and etc. And the most important thing you can see here is the grading criteria. Now let's go to the academic results, your grades and strandings. Here you can see your transcript, you can see your GPA, the acquired credits, and etc. for all the years that you've been studying, from the freshman fall semester to the senior spring semester. Now let's have a look on our mail system. For every single student, INHA University provides a personal student's email using name and the surname of the student. So let's try it out. We'll have to visit mail.inha.uz. Here in the username field, you should type your ID and then your password. If it's your first time, it will ask you to change your password. Let's sign in. Here you can see the messages from academic or student affairs, professors, and other staff. In the search field, we can find a person that we're interested in. For example, let's try to find a professor. INHA mail consists of one letter of the mail, which is the first letter of the name, then dot, then surname. For example, B for Bahadur, dot Ahmedov. Let's try to find someone else. The same way you can find any students or academic affairs, for example. Here in the academic affairs, you can ask for certification and other documents from the university. Let's now try to send a mail to a professor. For instance, I will write to Dr. Ahmedov. Please always start your mail from the words Dear and Professor's surname, comma. In my case, it would be Dear Dr. Ahmedov. Then introduce yourself. Include your personal data like name, course, ID number, subject, and section. Let's look on the example. I am a freshman, sophomore, and etc. Student, name, ID, from subject LA, for example, linear algebra, and section number. After introducing yourself, type why are you writing, like I would like to ask you about. Finish your messages with the words best wishes or best regards, comma, your name and surname. Now let's have a look on some interesting features that our university mail provides. For example, you can take Student Developer Pack on GitHub website. It includes lots of premium accounts, programs, and websites. Take your time to look through all of this, it would be really useful. For example, you can get student license in different programs like PyCharm on the JetBrains website and others. Use your abilities wisely and look through licenses and programs for the students. And this is it for the IUT portal system. We hope that the video was informative and you will not have any problems with accessing the portal system and seeing your grades. Good luck!